Hey guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Deb. Today I'm going to show you how to make chilaquiles. Really easy, simple. I usually eat this for breakfast only because it has eggs in it, but you can pretty much eat it whenever you feel like. You just need these 4 ingredients. You can add other stuff. I just make mine really simple. So you need shredded cheese, some corn tortillas, some verde sauce. You can use red also, but I prefer green, and some eggs. And that's pretty much all you need, guys. Let's get started. Alright, you guys, so I have some oil in my pan here. Not that much, but you want enough to fry your corn tortillas. So what you're going to do is grab some corn tortillas and you're just going to rip them up. It don't matter how, they don't have to be perfect. And we're going to fry these until they're soft. You can season them also, salt, pepper, garlic salt, whatever you like. Alright, you guys, my corn tortillas are nice and soft. I let them fry for a couple minutes. Now I'm going to add my eggs. And I'm going to go ahead and mix that around as soon as I add all my eggs. Alright, you guys, so if it's still running like this, and that means it's not completely done, you got to make sure it looks like scrambled eggs. It might take a few minutes for the egg to cook. Alright, you guys, my eggs are no longer running. Now I'm going to add my green chili sauce. Alright, you guys, and now I'm adding my cheese in. You could add as much as you want. Then I'm going to add my green sauce. And I'm going to let that cook together until the cheese is melted. Alright, you guys, and now it's time to serve. And I'm going to pair this with some beans and cheese on the side. And that's how I make my chilaquiles. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next video.